Hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depend upon the number of days one has taken the food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as a hostel charge, whereas the student B who takes food for 26 days pays 1180 as hostel charge. Find the fixed charges and the cost of the food per day. So let the fixed charges be x and the number of days be y. According to first condition of problem, she took meal for 20 days. So x plus 20 is equal to 1000. So x plus 20y minus 1000 is equal to 0. Is it? Let this one only be remain first. There is no need of this one. According to second condition, she took for the 26 days meal for 26 days. So x plus 26y is equal to 1180. Is it? If you simplify this, let it be outside. This you don't do like this. You put x plus 20y is equal to 1000 and x plus 26y is equal to 1180. Then solve it by elimination method. Is it? If you change the sign, it will cancel. Minus 1 this. Is it? This will cancel. So minus 6 is equal to, we will get minus 6y is equal to minus 180. So y is equal to, we will get 30. Substituting the value in the equation 1, we will get x is equal to 400. Is it? So thus the fixed charges is rupees 400 and the meals charges and the mess charges and the cost of the food per day, and the cost of the food per day is rupees 30. You have to write the result here. Become 1 by 3. The fraction become 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it become 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. Find the fraction. Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Is it? So it become 1 by 3 when you subtract 1 from the numerator. Is it? So 1 by 3 is equal to, actually it should be written like this. Here 1 by 3. X minus 1 upon y is equal to 1 by 3. Is it? So cross multiply it. So you will get y is equal to 3x minus 1, or equate it, then you will get y minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Second condition, according to the condition here, 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. So 1 by 4 is equal to x upon y plus 8. If you cross multiply and solve it, you will get y plus 8 minus 4x is equal to 0. Second one. If you solve it by elimination method, again y and y, if you cancel it out, you will get x is equal to 30 and y is equal to 12. So fraction become x by y, it is 5 by 12. Score 40 marks in the test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. He had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer. Then yes would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were in the test? Okay. So let the question for each, let the marks for each right answer be x and the question for each wrong answer is y. According to the condition, 3x minus y is equal to 40. Is it? This will let it be this as first equation. Second, according to the condition, it is 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. Is it? Or you can simplify it and write 2x minus y is equal to you write. This is all. Second. Okay, and solve it. That's it. If you solve this equation, equating it to, you will get y is equal to 5 and number of question is equal to 20. Place places A and B are 100 meters apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another car from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 5 hours. Okay, first part you say understand. Suppose let the two cars meet after 5 hours at point P. Is it? After 5 hours they meet at a point P. The A travel from here A to P and B is travel from B position to A, P. Is it? And they both meet at P. So the distance traveled by the car A, is it? Distance traveled by the car A after 5 hours is what? Speed into the time. Speed is what given as x kilometers per hour. We have taken x kilometers per hour, and B, suppose the speed of the car A is x kilometers per hour and the speed of car B is y kilometers per hour. So the distance traveled by car after 5 hours is equal to what? Speed into distance. Speed is what? X kilometers per hour, and time is what? 5 hours. So hour cancel out. So what do we get? Hour and hour cancel out. So what we get? 5x kilometers. This same way, the distance traveled by a car B after 5 hours is equal to speed into time. Speed is y. What? Y kilometers per hour, and time is 5 kilometers per hour. Hour cancel out. What we get? 5x, 5y kilometers. Is it? Now take same the figure. See the figure here. Is it? From A to P is 5x, and from B to P is 5x, 5y. Sorry. Is it? Again, A to P is 5x and B to P is 5y kilometer. Is it? So how I can equate to 100? It is very simple. From here you will get, see, 5x minus 5y will give you 100. Is it clear? This is C here. This is 5x. If you subtract here 5y, you will get 100. So this is simple. 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. So that is the first equation. Second part now. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of the two cars? We have to find. Okay. Now, according to second condition, this is point A and this is point B. So let both cars meet at point Q after 1 hour. Is it? The car moved from here A at a speed of x kilometers per hour and Y, which is moving at a speed of y kilometers per hour. Is it? So after 1 hour will the distance. So the distance traveled by the car A will be x kilometers per hour, and the distance traveled by the car B will be y kilometers per hour. Now we have to equate to 100. 100 is this. This much is 100. So it is AQ plus BQ. So x plus y. AQ plus BQ is equal to AB, which is 100. We have to equate to 100. So x plus y is equal to 100. That is the second equation. If you solve with elimination method, we get x is equal to 60 kilometers per hour, y is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. So what we get? The speed of the car A is, thus the speed of the car A is 60 kilometers per hour and the speed of car B is 40 kilometers per hour. Rectangle get reduced by 9 square meter. Okay, so let x be the length of rectangle and y be the breadth. So what is the first point? Area of rectangle. So what is the area of rectangle? X into y. It is reduced by 9 when? If the length is reduced by 5 unit and breadth is increased by 3 unit. Let's see here. The length of the rectangle be x and the breadth be y. So the area of the rectangle become xy. It is reduced by 9 square meter when length is decreased by 5 or reduced by 5 and the breadth is increased by 3. So x minus y, x minus 5 and breadth become y plus 3. So area of the rectangle is L into B. What has happened in this condition? The area is reduced by 9. So x into y minus 9 is equal to length become x minus 5 and breadth become y plus 3. Is it x minus 5 and y plus 3? If you simplify it, you will get the equation. Is it? This you take as equation first, not this one. Okay, 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. Second, what has happened? Area is increased by 67 if length is increased by 3 and the breadth is also increased by 2. So area of the rectangle become x into y plus 67 is equal to x plus 3 into y plus 2. Is it? If you simplify, you will get this equation. Second, is it? Let it equate it to, not like this, let it equate by 3x minus 5y is equal to 6 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 61. Okay, so multiply this by 3, multiply this by 5, it will be equal and you will be cancelling out and you will get the coefficient of xs, value of xs, coefficient equal of y, and you will get the value of x as 17. Okay, and if you substitute in this is first equation, you will get y is equal to 5. So thus what is the result? The length of the rectangle is 17. Okay, 17 square unit. Unit. Is it? Not square unit, it is unit. The length of the rectangle be 17 unit and breadth of the rectangle will be 5 unit.